Oh shoot, oh my gosh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charlene and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out new Rare Beauty makeup that came out by Selena Gomez. So I got one of everything in the line with the exception of the brushes and the sponges and stuff like that. I don't necessarily need that. Before we get started, if you're new here and you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl. You already know the deal, okay? My first time literally opening or trying out anything because you know, oh snap. So you know, because of COVID-19 and everything, they're not able to do like your testing. So I did go to Sephora online and they were able to shade match me based on what I put for the other foundations that I use. The first thing I'm gonna go ahead and go is with the Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. It's a weightless universal gel primer enriched with ultra fine pearls for a lit from within glow. I love that. I low-key like the packaging, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty nice and simple. It was $26. It is 0.94 fluid ounce. When I first saw it too, I was like, this kind of looked like Fenty Beauty, if I'm not mistaken. It looks like Fenty Beauty to me, but it is plastic, so you're not gonna break anything apart, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and use the primer. I'm gonna use 2 pumps. Look. You see how it looks? Yeah, it has like a little glow to it. It smells all right. It looks, yeah, you could see like it has a little glow to it. I feel like you could put this primer on like on a day where you just want your skin to look like nice and you don't feel like putting on makeup. You can go ahead and do that. So the next thing that we have is of course the foundation. It's a medium coverage, a natural finish. It's a liquid formulation, and for skin type it's normal, dry, combination, and oily. It does come in 48 shades, so shout out to you Selena for these 48 shades. This is the shade 510W, and like I stated before, I got shade match using the Sephora app. This is what it looks like. This is my shade. It says I'm 5'10", so let's hope it's accurate. The foundation, it runs for $29, which I don't think it's bad, to be honest. I thought it was gonna be more expensive. I'm like, only $29? That's good. That's good. Like if it's gonna do what I want it to do, that's not bad for a price. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Real Techniques brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the brush and put it on my face. Foundation does feel weightless. Like I don't feel like I have a lot on. Go ahead and put it on here. It feels really nice. Yeah, it feels really weightless. And you guys know I have a dark neck, so I gotta bring it down to my neck. Bring it down to the neck then, girl. Bring it down to the neck. As you guys can see, this is what the foundation is looking like on me so far. It looks good. It looks good. It looks like my skin, but better type of situation. Sephora kind of matched me pretty good with the foundation. I'm not gonna lie, because I was kind of scared, but it's pretty good so far. One of the reasons why I'm happy, this is not glass because it just fell. As you guys can see, I'm a little clumsy, And for concealer, I got the shade 480W. What I like about the foundation and the concealer is the foundation that you have, there's a concealer that matches that one, but if you're going for like a more natural one, but I'm not. So I went ahead and I got 480, put it under my eye. It's thick. I thought it was gonna be like a watery consistency, but it's not. It's very thick. I don't know how to feel about the warmth of this concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and let my concealer sit for a while, and we're gonna go ahead and move on with our brows. This is the Brow Harmony pencil and gel. This is the packaging again. I really like the packaging, and you guys could see like the intricate little details on the packaging. Like, it's pretty cool. Oh, it's kind of thick. It's kind of thick, Selena girl. It's kind of thick. So this, oh, it's really pretty though. Like, it looks pretty expensive. The concealer was $19. Y'all, this is like affordable. For it to be a celebrity's makeup line, for it to be in Sephora. The Brow Harmony is $22. I got the shade Deep Brown, so, oh, you have to untwist it. Oh, this is what I was talking about. This is the gel part. I've never put gel on my eyebrows before, so this is gonna be a first. And then this, okay. Oh my gosh, so then this one is the eyebrow. So this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. It's really pretty. Or you do it, oh look. Am I supposed to put the gel first or nah? Look how it's already giving my brow some type of definition. Ooh. Do you guys see like the difference it made already? Yeah, nice and creamy. Redfin just notified me there's a house that I need to look at that I can't afford. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and go with my damp beauty sponge. I think this is my Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that concealer out. Who else does this look? Y'all see skin or not? Am I giving skin or not? I feel like I'm giving skin. Okay. I brought down the brightness a little bit so you guys can see the true shade that I'm looking at. So Rare Beauty doesn't have a powder. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in the medium deep shade. I don't feel like baking today. Maybe a little bake, you know, I ain't baked in a while. You guys, I've calmed down on my baking, you know. She don't bake like that no more. Sometimes. I'm gonna go ahead and go with my Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. Bring back some warmth in the face. Bring back some warmth in the face. Bring back some warmth in the face. Okay. You guys, what do you guys so far? Like, it's giving me like your skin looks amazing, girl. Like, what you be using? What's your skincare routine? Rare Beauty. Okay, so far so good. I mean, my eyebrows look as whatever as they can be. Ain't gonna get better, and it might get worse, but it ain't gonna get better. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Cover FX in the shade N100. Only reason I got it is because it was on sale. It smells kind of weird. Bring it down to your neck then, girl. Bring it down to your neck. You guys, even though I do all this to my neck, it still be out here deceiving me. Do you do blush before highlight or highlight before blush? Let me know down below. I'm gonna go ahead and use liquid blush. This is my first time ever trying out liquid blush or liquid highlighter, so I'm excited. So this is the one that I got. This is the, oh, they have the matte ones and they have the dewy. Because I'm already dewy by nature, by God's grace. And my face is gonna be real dewy towards the end of the day. So I was like, let me go ahead and try this matte blush. I got the shade Faith. And you guys, can I say that I love the names that she came out with for the lips, for the blushes, for the luminizers. Like, I love the names. Maybe I shouldn't have gotten this color. I'm scared. This is what the liquid blush looks like. This is the matte one. This is in the color. The name of it is Faith. It looks really liquidy. Oh my, should I shake it first? Let me shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay. So we're gonna do one side. I don't know if I'm putting a lot of, oh my gosh, it look okay. Okay, so we're just gonna blend it in. Is it like moving stuff or no? Like, what do you guys think? Oh shoot, okay girl, you went above and beyond. Oh my gosh. So I put a lot on. I don't like it. I'm not feeling the liquid blush. the matte blush. This is my first. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm not putting it on. It looks good over here, right? Because you see the little bronze, a little blush, and it's gonna be a little highlight. Okay, so maybe I did it wrong on this side, but on this side it looks more like natural from within. What do you think? What do you guys think, right? It looks better on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the liquid. This is called the Positive Light Liquid Luminizer. I got it in color Flaunt. They had different kinds, but I ended up going with this one. And this was $22. The blush was $20. So it looks better on this side than it does on this side because that's my fault. Mind your business. Mind your business. Mind your business. Rare Beauty. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put it right here on my face. 1, 2. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. I messed up. I messed up. So I don't know. I don't know how to feel about this one. And maybe okay, so I'm gonna go like this with it instead. Maybe it's me. I don't know. Maybe like when I do stuff on the left side of my face, it doesn't go as like I want it to go. This whole side is messed up. Ooh. Okay, maybe I can save it. I can save it. Okay. Yeah, I can't save it. So I don't know how to feel about the blush and the highlight. I'm not really a fan of the liquid stuff over there, so that's gonna be a no for me. All right, so the next item that I have, this is the lip souffle. This is what it looks like. I got the color, the shade is called, the name of the shade is called Transform. This is what it, oh shoot, this is what it looks like. Oh, it feels very thick. This is what the shade looks like. It's very natural, like it's not as pigmented as I thought it would be. It's very moisturizing, but I don't think it's for me per se. So I'm going to put like a little dot on my nose and try to blend it out as best as I can. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh, it doesn't look bad. This is what my face is looking like. I'm going to do a wear test and wear it for the rest of the day to see how it lasts throughout this Florida heat. Although it doesn't look like it's, oh no, it's gonna be hot outside. I will check back in with you guys later to give you my final thoughts on all of the products that I used today. So I'll see you guys in a couple of hours.
2 hours later.
Yeah. My lashes lifted.
That's a video shot?
Yeah. Seeing how it looks. Not bad. Oh, sorry. You're gonna be on my YouTube channel. Yeah. Yeah. So let me see. So far, so good. Whew. Oily. Look at my lips. Oh, my lips are still here. Surprisingly. Alright.
6.5 hours later.
This is how my face usually is with matte foundations, not matte foundation. At the end of the day, that's how it usually looks. And now that we have to wear the mask, so like the bottom of my face is pretty gone, but the bottom was what was really popping. So yeah, so overall, this was a great launch, great products. I think this foundation can last if I do like a few touch-ups throughout the day, and just to get rid of that glow and just to have it back matte. But I really do like this foundation. If you want to see more of this deep face on your timeline, use my powder brush. Subscribe to your girl. So great job, Miss Selena Gomez. Can't keep this beauty to yourself. Ooh. That's pretty much it for this video. Again, if you guys like, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.